Good morning, this is Nick with Williams Sewer Line Inspectors. I'm performing an inspection today at 1227 South Central Avenue in Glendale. We're inspecting the main sewer line. We're entering the system today through this cleanout, which is located just to the side of the covered parking. The main sewer line is that portion of the line which extends from outside of the house to the city sewer. How we're entering the line today, we're going to be seeing some of the interior building piping, which is just the building drainage system. And that's this cast iron pipe that you see here. Cast iron is a good material because it's very sturdy, but it does have a drawback of being susceptible to rust. Here we're going back into some plastic. There's some root intrusions coming in between the cast iron and the plastic. This is the main sewer line that we're in right now. It started with the beginning of the plastic at the end of the cast iron. You can see there are some root intrusions coming in at the joints of this line. There's one that we went past and then this one again. Plastic, when installed correctly, shouldn't be susceptible to root intrusion. When you see root intrusions coming into a plastic line, it indicates that they didn't use the proper glue in sealing the joints. Plastic is a superior material to most any other material used in sewer lines because it doesn't rust or corrode. It has smooth inner walls which allow for maximum drainability, and when it is installed correctly it can't have root intrusions. Unfortunately, there are several root intrusions in this line. This one is pretty significant. Here we're into a material called vitrified clay. The camera's a little bit dirty, so I think we should push through and just clean it off in the water, the faster flowing water of the city sewer before we... This is the city sewer here. City sewer is 86 feet into the line. You can see it's that faster flow of water. This is where your responsibility as a property owner would end for maintenance or repairs on this line. As we pull back, we see the connection to the city sewer. There are some roots coming in right there at the connection. I would call those moderate roots. And we're just going to pull back and take a look at the joints as we go. Clay is a very good material for sewer lines because it doesn't rust or corrode and therefore has an unlimited potential for how long it can last as a good sewer line. Unfortunately, it is susceptible, even when installed correctly, to root intrusions, and we can see some moderate root intrusions coming in, and here is a major root intrusion. When roots get to be significant in a clay line, they can increase in their width and possibly crack the pipe. So you do want to keep up on a regular maintenance schedule with a clay line. At this point, these roots are significant enough that I would recommend hydrojetting as a method of sewer line cleaning. Hydrojetting is a form of pressure washing designed for sewer lines, which will shear the roots off very close to the edge of the pipe and will also flush with a high amount of water any debris out of the line. It's an excellent method of sewer line cleaning. And at this point, after as much deferred maintenance has happened on this line, I think it's the only method which will really clean this line well. Snaking is less expensive, but it won't do a good job with as much roots are in this line. As far as the plastic is concerned, I'm going to go ahead and locate out where this plastic line is running in the property and see what it's under. And based off of that, I'll be making a final recommendation for how to deal with the rehabilitation or maintenance of the line, of the plastic portion of this line. And please just refer to my written report for any final findings on that. Again, this is Nick Bilsma with Williams Sewer Line Inspections. Thank you very much, and have a great day.